Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another budget tech unboxing video. And today we're going to do something a little different. Today we are going to be taking a look at a $35 mini PC. Let's get right into the video. So I know that I normally unbox more than just one budget tech product on the budget tech unboxing series, but today I wanted to change things up and just focus on one product, which is the Raspberry Pi 3. So for those who do not know, the Raspberry Pi is a very bare bones computer. It's very tiny, about the size of a credit card, and you can use it to program stuff, and you can even run Linux and Windows on it. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing it for you guys and setting it up and trying to download Raspbian, which is their operating software that they recommend for the Raspberry Pi. So we're going to see how this goes. Cross your fingers, let's hope it goes well, and let's get started. So Amazon is telling me to tear it open at the perforation, but I can't do that, so I'm gonna have to get some scissors really quick. Ta-da, ta-da! So we got the scissors. Now and now we're ready to open this thing up. They said to tear at the perforation, but that obviously was not working. So we are just gonna cut it. And here it is. So this is actually the box that it came in. And as you can see, it is not very large at all. The box isn't even large. So let's crack this thing open. Now I believe there is just the computer in this box and some documentation. And that is about it. You don't even get a charging cable or anything like that. So we are going to set this to the side. I don't think I will be needing this, but just in case I do, I will set it over here because it did seem a little confusing having to install the software. So here it is. The $35 mini PC. This is the Raspberry Pi, and as you can see, it is very bare bones. There's not even a casing around it, and you can see everything, which I think is really cool. A lot of people are getting into the clear cases on their phones and stuff so that they can see inside, and I really think this is a really cool thing to have because you can see everything and how it works. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part, which is actually getting this stuff connected. So this does have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so we will not be needing the Ethernet port there. So I actually have my monitor right here, really old. I got it at Goodwill for a really good price, and we are gonna plug this into the HDMI port like so. And now I put the copy of Raspbian on this micro SD card. Hopefully it works because on the tutorial that I watched, they actually had a specific micro SD card thing that you had to buy off of Raspberry's website, but we're gonna see if it works. There is a micro SD slot on the bottom here, if you can see that. And it will not click in because you just push it in, there's no click. Now we need to actually, hopefully the power cord reaches, and hopefully it will actually work because they do have a new power adapter type thing for the Raspberry Pi 3. Now it seems to be working, so let's turn on the monitor here, and we have to connect my mouse. There's actually 4 USB ports on it, which is very cool. So I think it almost has the same amount of USB ports as my HP Pavilion laptop back there, which is a little crazy since it's only $35. There we go. Hopefully this connects, because it is also, but I'm pretty sure you can connect it to multiple devices. There we go. Now my monitor's turning on. Or is it? Check signal. Okay. So I actually think that it was on, but there is no signal coming from the Raspberry Pi. With HDMI cable and plug it back in. It says it's on, but nothing is connecting. Okay, I know what I did. I did the wrong. I downloaded the wrong file. Silly me. Let's do that right now. Okay, so now I think I have the right stuff that I downloaded onto this card. Oh! Woo! Let's... Yes. It's working. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that took forever. Alright guys, so Raspbian Lite just downloaded, the download just finished, and now it is booting up. Whew. Look at that, doesn't that look so cool? It looks like a hacker. It's like Facebook. Let's see what we can do. I'm not sure. Not letting me type anything. I figured it out. Okay, so what you have to do is the user name is Pi and the password is Raspberry. It's the last time I'm doing this. So I finally figured out why the Raspberry Pi was not working and why I could not download the software. That was because I had a 2 GB micro SD card, which was actually not enough storage. And I also tried to use my 128 GB SD card, which was way too much storage. So I actually had to go out and buy a SanDisk 16 GB micro SD card, and that finally worked. So my Raspberry Pi just booted up, and it has Raspbian on it right now. This thing is really cool. You can play Minecraft on it, you can browse the web. You obviously can't do a ton of very intensive things on it, but you can definitely use it for a lot of the normal things that you use your PC for. And actually, let's see if we can go to youtube.com. Chromium? What is that? They got Chrome on this. Wow, this is cool. Alright, let's go to youtube.com. There we go. Alright, let's search Everyday Technology. There we go. My YouTube channel on the Raspberry Pi 3. Alright guys, that's it for this budget tech unboxing video. If you did enjoy, please hit the like button down below. Comment down below any feedback if you do have some for me. I love feedback and I love answering your guys' questions. Also, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and click that little notification bell so you never miss out on when I upload another tech video. And as always, guys, I am Nate from Everyday Technology, and I'm going to keep watching some of my YouTube videos on my Raspberry Pi 3. Peace out.